everyone, this is Gio. I'm coming to you with a training about how to block links, how to block those links that are not so desirable in your comments, okay? And any other links that people put in your comments. So all you want to do is come to settings, go to community, scroll down. Okay, once you get to the page, scroll down to block links. Okay, so you want to click in there and make sure that that check is there under block links. Okay, and if you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held for review. Live chat messages with URLs will be blocked. The setting doesn't apply to you, moderators, or approved users. So as long as you approve the users and your moderators and you can post in your live chat. This will not affect you. And anybody else in your live chat shouldn't be dropping links unless they are a moderator. So this is the way to do things. So I will see you on the next video training.